Video we will see the how to create Xcode project for developing the swiftUI, and we will see the what is the use of swiftUI and what is the difference between storyboard UI kit and swiftUI. Okay, let's see. First I would like to create a Xcode project. Before that, Xcode should be installed in the our Apple Mac computer. Okay, otherwise we cannot develop the any iOS applications or any Mac applications. Before that, we should install the Xcode project into our computer. After installing, go to the search bar. I'm searching Xcode. Okay. After that, here once click on the Xcode, the files will be shown like this Xcode file and so on. Now I'm going to the file. I'm going to the new and create a new project. By default, there are multiple platforms are there, but I have by default it's selected as iOS. So I am taking this. I am taking the inside this app. After that, I am clicking the next. Okay, I am giving the name as demo UI. After that, team is there, organization identifier is there, bundle identifier is there. These three are not required as of now. Okay, we will see these things further videos. Now our point is interface. Which interface is used to develop the UI? We need to select here only. Okay, by default it is selected shift to A, but I am checking again. But it is two types are there. One is storyboard and another one is shift A. Storyboard, if you use the storyboard, you can use the storyboard also. But our course is using the swiftUI. Storyboard means you can drag and drop the all the elements, and you need to give the outlets and actions we need to perform on all the stuff. But if you use the swiftUI, no need any drag and drop, any large amount of code, no auto layouts. The major important point is no auto layouts. Very easy to learn and very easy to use for developing the our user interface based on our requirement. Okay, that is the main difference between the swiftUI and the storyboard. Storyboard, if you use a storyboard, very difficult to handle the auto layouts always. Okay, to avoid all those stuff, I'm explaining the swiftUI only. Here languages we know that already. What is our language used? Swift. Before learning swiftUI, we should learn the Swift language first. After that only you can understand the swiftUI. Otherwise you cannot understand. Okay, I am clicking next. It is asking the path to store the our project. I am creating. It will store as some place. Okay. Yeah, the project has created. Yeah, now we can see the created project. Okay, by default we have three types of sections. This is a file section. There is a editor section, means you are editing the code or you are writing the code. This is the preview section. When you are writing something or when you are giving something, it will be reflected immediately. Okay, what is the use of preview? Preview is used to show the or render the output immediately without running the program. That is the main use of the preview. Okay, for example, I am deleting each and this image also. Okay, now I explain each and everything. Okay, for this, initially what it is having struct. In the swiftUI, everything has a struct. Okay, this is the struct. We know that already. What is the struct? Struct is having some variables and functions. At the same way, this content view struct as having one property. This is computed property. This is struct. What is a computed property? Instead of storing the value, it is calculating something and returning something. What it is returning? It is returning the view. Means that whatever you written here, it written like a view. Here what is here? It is having by default V stack for align elements vertically. Vertically means one by one. It is used to align the one by one. But if you want to align, look at here. I am taking another text view also. Okay, this is the use of vertical stack. These things align one by one. But we have another stack also. What is the stack? H stack. See this? It will be aligned left and right. Means that it will be aligned the horizontally. If you give the V stack, it will align the vertical stack. Okay, if you want to design whatever you want based on our requirement, everything should be in the this property only. This property only, you can take V stack or you can take vertical stack as of wish based on your requirement. Everything should be under in the this computer property only. Okay. Now understand, it is a content view. Here what is the use of this? This is a preview the whatever you written here. This is the use of this preview point. Look at here, we have two types of files. One is content view, another one demo view. What is demo view? The execution always starts from this function only. Okay, just remember this point. Execution swiftUI execution starts from this main function only. After starting execution, it will comes to thus our content view here only. Okay, inside the content view we have property, computer property. Inside that our required elements are there. Okay, this is all about the basic of the our swiftUI project. Okay. In coming videos, you will learn the more about the stacks, V stack and S stacks, and all the views like buttons, view, table, all the stuff we will learn in the coming videos.